Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about polar coordinates. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, dy dx we can change by r dr d theta. And now we need to consider about the region. We see that they will outside this circle and inside this circle in here. So about dr, that's it from number 1 to number 3. So because this radius in here, that's about number 1. This one, that is about 3 square. So the radius of this one, that is about number 3. That's why we have the integration from number 1 to number 3 in this one. About the theta, we see that they start at number 0 and then we stop at b. So this one should be about from 0 to b. So dx dy or dy dx we change by r dr d theta. So we have r in here. About x we change by r cosine theta, y we change by r sine theta, and we have like this. Now we need to calculate about this one. So we have r and r with r in here. So we have 3r square. And now the theta, we just have cosine theta and sine theta in here. So this one we have sine theta. This one we have negative cosine theta. And we put the bounds from 0 to b. This one we have r to the power of 3. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 3. Now we put b cone here, number 0 cone here. We calculate this one and we have that is about number 2. This one, that is about 26. So we calculate this one and we have 52. This is the end. Thank you for watching.